Hello everyone, Diogo Tarini here for The Weekend Filmmaker. Today, carry on with our vlogging experience. We have the number 2, so episode 2 of our vlogging. I'm going to Bruno's house. You might remember him. He's a photographer friend of mine. We're pairing with his wife. We're going to something more like touristy in London. We're going to the Emirates cable car. Essentially, you hop on one side of the river on a cable car, cross the river, all the way to the other side, and then you can either stay there or come back. Amazing views. I've never been to this thing, and it's been like in London for a while. However, I've seen some photos and it looks beautiful. We might not have time to film during the day, but even in the evening, it might be a bit noisy, a bit grainy, the footage, but I'm making sure that I'm filming and covering everything. I'm pretty excited about the vlogging part of the channel. A lot more content coming in 2018. Roll the intro. So leaving the house now. Just gonna put the stuff in the car and head to the cable car. I've never been to a cable car before. I mean, not the ones in London, but I've been to a few. Funny that you mentioned cable cars because I was in Rio last year, no, 2016, and I did go to a cable car, which was really fun. You go up the sugar loaf thing, and then it's really fun, but this one in London should be actually really cool. Two of my friends, Fran and Bruno, you're gonna meet them later. They invited me to go today. I was going to film something else, but I was like, why not? I don't really do these touristy kind of things in London. You know, when you live in a city and it's sort of like so easy for you to go, but you end up not going. I don't know, that's strange. But yeah, should be fun. Yeah, and I think we should try to do different things whenever we can. And what a great opportunity for me to actually have our second vlog. Now drive there, have lunch, and then we go to the cable car. Let's do it. And I like the idea of the teleport that we did in the last vlog. So I think now I can try something new. Let's try a different transition now. Let's go maybe up and down. Let's do it. And I just go here. We are going to have some lunch. Hopefully. They have 2 sweet cats. And let's have some fun in London. Let's do it. And we just got here. Fran is making us lunch. Bruno is here. That's Bruno. And his cats. That's Chico. Hello, Chico. And the other one, because the fire alarm was just went off, and then look at this. Oops, he's hiding. Capone. He was scared. And I'm gonna show you Fran. She's making us something. Yeah. Ooh, rice.
Yeah. Broccoli.
Broccoli.
Yeah. Pudding. Caramel.
She knows. I actually don't know. We call pudding, but I don't think it's the same thing in
Cream
Portuguese.
caramel.
Cream caramel.
Yeah.
So, ooh, and she's chilling with Jay-Z. Right, so we are going to have lunch, and then after, I think go somewhere. And that's it. Let's wait for lunch. We just done food, thanks to
Thank you.
Fran. And now we are going to the cable cars. I've never been to that cable car specifically. They just told me that they haven't been to the cable car before. So it should be fun. See you soon. We came to the XL London, and they having a boat show there. We did not pay the most expensive ticket for the cable car, so we can't really go in there. Well, we can if you pay, but we're not gonna go. But seems cool. It's a boat show. They have boats. We did not go to. Yeah, we didn't go to the boat show. We came to Starbucks instead to have some coffee. Coffee time. And we just done coffee. We are going home now. Going home? So we're going home now. And that's it. I'm tired as fuck. Can't say that. And we're going back to the cats to see how the cats are. She gets a bit jealous because of the cats, because I like them. And we just go back here and we're gonna cross the river again and then go home. So let's enjoy the ride again. Let's do this. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, make sure that you turn on the notifications so you get an email every time that I post a new video. A lot more in 2018 coming. I'm really excited. So that's it for me, guys. I will see you in the next video.